The Nellis Group is so excited to present to you our new listing in Daventry in West Springfield, Virginia. Whether you're making a gourmet meal or pretending you cooked with takeout, this kitchen is very impressive. The primary suite cannot be missed. This extremely large room, along with a walk-in closet, beautiful sunlight streaming through, and the spa-like bathroom. There is a huge glass shower, soaking tub, dual vanities, and enough room to avoid sharing counter space. It's the kind of bathroom that makes you say, "I'll be ready in 5 minutes," and you actually mean 30. If you're looking for a home with beautiful updates, a fantastic layout, over 2,000 square feet, and all the privacy you need in the back, this is your home.